Good day. My name is Venrick Campos, and today we will be talking about renewable energy sources, the energy challenge. 6 questions are given to us by our professor, and we must answer them based on our research and with the materials uploaded to us by our professor. And for the first question, what renewable energy technology did you find the most helpful in accelerating sustainable energy development? Well, wind energy offers many advantages, which explains why it's one of the fastest growing energy sources in the world. But what is wind energy? Wind energy is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generators or electrical power. Wind power is a popular, sustainable, renewable source of power that has a much smaller impact on the environment. An example of a technology that utilizes wind energy is a horizontal axis wind turbine and the vertical axis wind turbine. But in this presentation, I will be focusing more about the vertical axis wind turbine. What surprised you the most about your preferred topic? Well, on my research, I saw that the vertical axis wind turbines could be put on busy roads where there are a lot of wind energy which could be harnessed by the wind turbines. As I said earlier, that wind energy is one of the fastest growing energy sources in the world, but here in our country, I see only 7 wind farms, which consists only of tall horizontal axis wind turbines. But in other countries, you may see a vertical unit. So I am surprised on why I'm seeing any vertical units here, since we have some of the busiest roads in Asia. Another thing that surprises me is that the cost of one vertical unit is really low compared to other renewable energy technologies. For the third question, would you recommend this renewable energy source to the academe for further research? Yes, well, because it is a great alternative source of energy. More research needs to be done about the design of the vertical axis wind turbine so that it may have greater efficiency than the present designs now. And so it could be put on roads, street lights, urban rooftops, or even at top of our vehicles so it may generate electricity for whatever needs electricity. There are still many things left for wind power to be researched, specifically the vertical axis wind turbine. So why would this resource be your best choice? First is it is renewable. The source of wind power is inexhaustible. Second, it lacks pollution. Wind energy, as we all know, wind energy doesn't produce emissions. Third is the low operation cost. Fourth is the decreasing price. And fifth, job creation. And lastly, it is space efficient. As in the previous pictures, this type of wind turbine unit can be placed on busy roads, not wasting precious space. For the fifth question, is it feasible? Discuss briefly the conversion technology and financial challenges of the chosen renewable energy system. For a vertical axis wind turbine, the vertical turbine spin on the vertical axis and comes in various shapes, sizes, and colors. The generator is mounted at the base of the tower and blades are wrapped around the shaft. It is designed to be economical and practical, as well as quiet and efficient. The vertical axis wind turbine are easier and more affordable to maintain than horizontal units. The cost varies from 10,000 up to 100,000 pesos. So what are the important facts? For the vertical axis wind turbine, this type of wind turbine can work with any wind direction. It is less efficient than the horizontal axis wind turbine. It can be operated even in low wind speeds. For wind energy, a small turbine in the backyard could easily power a small business or home. Wind energy is the fastest growing mode of electricity production across the planet, and Albert Betz, a German physicist and the pioneer of wind turbine technology. Before I end this video, I would like to thank our professor for the materials he uploaded, which helped me in finding what type of topic I was going to research. And I saw that Asia continues to lead the expansion of wind generation. I discovered that why the Philippines only has wind farms that consist of only horizontal axis wind turbines, when there are many places that vertical axis wind turbines could be placed. With better research, I think our country will have a good future in clean energy. And lastly, here are the references that I have used for my research. Thank you and have a great day.